Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, we are doing something really cute. And I'm gonna teach you that doll makeup like magmukha kayong Manika, Ganon. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Ayan, so napakataas ang energy ko kasi nga kanina I went to work, I wore itong outfit ko na ito. I'm actually wearing like a anong tawag yung jumper na skirt, and people are actually telling me that I look so cute daw kasi nga meron akong ganito, ganyan. And when I look myself in the mirror, parang ako baby. It made me really young, and I was like thinking na parang akong Manika. If ever maganda lang yung makeup ko, para akong Manika, Chaka doll, kung ano man. Basta yung get up ko is very cute, ganon. Not to really say na I'm really beautiful na Manika talaga. But yung get up ko, yung aura, yung ganon, parang Manika. It's just that kanina, when I go to work, hindi talaga ako full blast na makeup kasi I just use BB creams and stuff like that. Yung blemishes ko are actually peeking out, ganon. So, not really presentable, ganon nga, not really that presentable. Pero I love my blemishes, so I don't really hide them that much. Hindi ako nagpa-foundation ng bonggang-bongga. So if my blemishes peek through, kahit dito sa video ko, if my blemishes peek through, I don't really care. Kasi nga, that's fine. That's life. I'm a human being. I have imperfections, and I just love my imperfections. Ayan. So, kahit anong bash yung i-ano nyo sa akin, I just love my imperfections, and I'm pretty aware of that. Yun na nga, going back, so, ayun, dami nagsasabi na ang cute daw ng get up ko. And I just really told myself na, why not look like Manika na lang talaga? Like, why not have a makeup that would suit my outfit? Parang ganon. Kasi nga, I'm wearing pink ribbon, pink shirt with a jumper skirt. At the same time, pink din yung shoes ko kanina. Oo, ganyan talaga ako. Medyo weird, but I really like that. When I got home, I grabbed my camera and grabbed my makeup kit and my makeup, and I just played around, and this is the look that I was able to make. Ayan, eto siya. Eto siya, guys. If you're interested how I achieved this look, I'm gonna teach that one to you right now. So let's proceed on the video. Right, and I'm back. Kita nyo na ulit yung mga blemishes ko. So, yes, ngayon wala na po akong suot na anything, and I zoomed you in para mas kita nyo yung mga nilalagay ko sa mukha. So, let's start! So of course, huwag natin kalimutan mag-primer. And yung primer na gagamitin ko today is still the Quick Effects No Shine Mattifying Primer. And you will be able to find this in Watsons. Alam nyo guys, meron silang sa shade. So if you're like feeling na ayaw nyo munang gumastos na medyo malaki, they actually have this shade variant ito for only like 99 pesos. So really cheap. So pwede nyo subukan yon, and you will be able to have your makeup last the whole day. Ayan, diba? Nawala agad yung shine ng mukha ko. Now, let's proceed with our base makeup. So I will be using this Cara Unicorn. And this is like a cushion foundation from Cara Unicorn. And as what you can see, this is really cute. Tingnan nyo. See? Meron siyang paganyan. Medyo matagal-tagal na to sa akin, guys. Hindi naman as in sobrang tagal. I got this few months back. And I love this kasi hindi ko na siya ginagamit on an everyday basis. Kasi nga, this is like a foundation. Sabi ko nga dati na I really wanted to have some skincare benefits as my everyday makeup routine. This is like the very first cushion na nasubukan ko na pwede sa mga morena like me. So, let me just dab that in sa mukha natin. For this one, this is like has a light to medium coverage, not really the full coverage one. Kaya nagustuhan ko to dati because it feels very light sa face and looks like skin. Hindi as in sobrang kapal. So, kita nyo, you can see my blemishes and stuff like that. But that's fine. You can actually build that up later. Actually, this is also buildable. So it could still cover the blemishes, and And yeah, all of those things that you would like to hide, but still this is really light sa face. With regards to my blemishes, I don't really care if nakikita siya that much because wala lang. I'm fine with it. Alright, so now let's proceed with our concealer. I will be using the Fit Me Maybelline concealer in the shade medium. Yan. Ito pa rin yung ginamit ko sa last makeup tutorial ko, guys. Kasi nga hindi pa ako nakabili ng ibang concealer. I'm actually waiting for my O2O products na i-review ko. Stay tuned about that kasi ang mumura ng mga products nila. Well, in K-pop industry, they find eye bags really cute. Yung iba nga nagpapalagay pa ng eye bags and stuff like that. So what we're gonna do is we are going to conceal our under eye pero leaving the eye bags. Kita niyo yan, yung dito linya. Hanggang dyan lang yung i-conceal natin. Hindi natin siya i-conceal all the way. So, dapat careful tayo sa pag-blend because we have to preserve the eye bags, ganon. We're done with our base. Ayun, parang ang puti na mukha ko, but in reality or in person, hindi naman siya maputi. Siguro sa lighting ko lang talaga medyo maputi or matikad yung mukha ko, but in person, hindi naman. So, now let's proceed with our eyebrows. So, I am going to use this specific eyebrows. Actually, hindi ko alam kung anong brand ito. Basta nabibili ito sa bangketa. Yeah, mumura kayong eyebrows at nabibili ito sa bangketa. I will be using this to line my eyebrows. Now, let's proceed sa ating eyes. I will be using this light peach color here. Ito yung gagamitin ko sa eyelids natin. And I'm gonna put this all over my eyelids. The same eyeshadow, I'm gonna drag that in dito sa aking lower lash line. And yes, nalubot po yung camera ko. So, buti na lang namalayan ko while I was doing my makeup. So, yung ginawa ko, sinapos ko lang muna yung side na to. Then, I'll teach you how I did that on the other side. Pagkatapos natin ilagay yung peach na eyeshadow, we have to really extend it sa pinakababa ng ating lower lash line. Ayan. Let's go ahead and grab this specific highlighter here. Actually, may shimmer ito na eyeshadow. Then, ilalagay ko siya sa middle part ng aking lids. Ganon. So, dito ko siya ilalagay. Dito. Hanggang dito sa may mutaan. Ayan. So, may mga lalagyan ng muta. Ayon. So, ilalagay ko siya. And also, for the same eyeshadow, I'm gonna put that one in my lower lash line dito. After that, let's grab this specific dark color eyeshadow. Ayan. Ito. Parang siyang chocolate brown. That is matte. Okay, matte siya. Hindi na masyadong kita sa camera. And I'm gonna put that in malapit sa lashes ko. So, dapat as close to the lashes as possible. And form it a wing, parang wing dito sa huli. So after that one, guys, I'll go ahead and use the same brown eyeshadow and put that one to our lower lash line. So after that one, I'm gonna take my BLK, yung pencil niya, and I'm gonna draw that one sa aking waterline dito sa taas. And after that, I'll go ahead and ilalagay ko din siya sa aking lower waterline. Tama ba? Kailangan natin mag-eyeliner. So, yung eyeliner natin is, it should be like as thin as possible plus a wing. Konting wing din siya. And it should be as thin as possible. Ganon. So, ilagay na natin yung piluka or yung pilikmata natin. I keep on saying piluka. Well, pilikmata pala din sa Tagalog. Kasi piluka yan dito sa, dito sa Cebu. So, ilalagay ko na yung aking pilikmata. Now, we're almost done. We're going to grab, this is actually like a glitter eyeshadow. Ayan. I'm going to put that in dito sa aking water lash line. Then, i-drag ko siya sa aking eyelids. Ayan, we're done with the eye makeup. So, what I'm gonna do next is, i-contour ko muna yung nose ko and also my cheeks. We're done with the contouring. So, after ng contour natin, I'm gonna use my powder. Yung powder na gagamitin ko, this is from Detail Cosmetics. Ayan, medyo ubos na po siya. Kasi medyo nagagamit-gamit ko din ito ng madalas. So, I'm gonna use that. Let's proceed with the highlight. So, I will be using this pink highlighter here para sa aking cheeks, and this one for my nose. Now, let's proceed with our blush. Okay, panghuli na yung blush. Now, I'm just gonna choose this specific lightest peach na color. And yun yung pang blush natin. Very, very subtle blush na. Okay. Alright, and our last step for the lips. I'm gonna use 2 shades of Colourette lip tint. This is in the shade Kelsey. And this one is in the shade Ava. I-mix ko lang yung kulay. So, yung una ko muna si Ava. And lastly, I'm just gonna add like a lip gloss sa lips ko para at least mag-shine siya ng kaunti. Ladies and gentlemen, we're done with our makeup. And ito na nga yung nagawa nating makeup. So this is the doll makeup. Yung mukhang manika. Yung mukhang kaala-ala. Yung parang manikang ganda. Ganon. So doll makeup look, eto po siya. This is what we've got. Ayan. Ewan ko lang kung mukha akong manika, but kayo na pong bahalang mag-decide. Kahit hindi exactly the same yung mga ginamit niyo, so long as yung kulay is the same and how it was done, I'm pretty sure ma-achieve niyo din itong look na ito. So, guys, I hope you really love this look kasi I really love it. It's just so cute. And if you like this video, don't forget to click on like and make sure to subscribe na din sa aking channel and click on the notification bell because I upload 3 times a week every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. Ayun. Thank you so much for watching. I hope nag-enjoy kayo and meron kayo natutunan sa tutorial na ito. Have a good day. Mwah!